He's really close to us. This might be the last video I'm taking here. But yeah, this is cool. He's close. And then I'm gonna make a slideshow and upload it too. Hi. Hi. Oh, here comes another one.
Look, there's two.
That's free. That's a tree.
Mr. Krabs.
But, yeah. Zoom in.
See, he's moving too. There's one big hole and one little hole.
Oh yeah, look, you just.
Yeah.
Okay, him. I think there's another one. Oh yeah, there's two over here.
Yeah, there's one over there. Do you see it in the tube?
Oh yeah. He's like just waving his claw around. There's one right here. He has little claws. And they have such a big claw. They're like, yeah. This one over here is walking.
Yeah.
He was. There goes. I want to see him get a fish. Like, how do they hunt?
Why do they all have one big claw and one little claw?
I want to see them hunt. Like, get a fish. I want to see that. Let's see him get a fishy. Gotta go over to the other one. God, they have a big claw.
She can see it right here.
There's one like that. Mommy, look. I mean, Kristen, there's one right there. One right there. Oh, there's one right here.
Where's it going?
Oh, that's cool. That one's only got. You see how the other ones are big fins? And then the little claw?
That's a tree. That's a tree. Alright, the other guy's
Look at him.
Oh, look at that. Look at that. That's a round thing. Look at that. Look at him. At the end, there's a big snapping turtle. Really big. The glass is warm. Warm glass. Emmy, look behind you. I'm gonna get you. Are you having fun?
Snake.
Yeah.
One had one big claw, one had a little claw.
I've seen them before.
And it was like,
They were moving their claws.
I've seen them before.
oh, girl. This is a big snake right here. Hey, don't push me. Stop pushing me. Stop it. Stop. Stop pushing me. Okay, go right there, and then I can just film over your head. Oh gosh, I'm squished.
An indigo.
That's big.
Is he alive?
Yeah,
Looks like it's dead.
it's alive.
Look at its eyes.
I know. That's how they're supposed to be.
Snakes. Looks like it's dead.
It's alive. It's not dead.
That one's all the way in the back. See it?
I don't see his face.
What's this?
What is that?
It's supposed to be a fish. I don't see it.
Oh, it's right behind this plant.
Oh, it's all the way in the back.
Let me see it.
Hard to see.
It's little. Right back there. You can't see it.
That's really hard to see.
See it. Let me see it again. Let me see it again. Orange snake. I know, but I just see it.
What's that? You see it in there, Emmy?
What?
Whatever's in there? What's... Is this a corn snake or is that a corn snake over there? Yeah, guys, I don't know what the heck is in here.
This is a corn snake. That's a blue-tailed owl.
I don't see the corn snake.
I don't know where it's at.
Excuse me. Sorry.
Up there, you see it?
Oh, let me see it up there.
See the face of it?
Yeah, looking right now.
This is a bar owl? I can't tell.
Asher, baby alligator.
Baby alligator.
This is Yoda.
There's a baby alligator.
Where's the corn?
I don't know if I can see it, but
Where's the
that
corn
lady.
snake?
The corn snake is over here, I think, but I don't know where it is. Wait, where is it? She has a. Yeah, I was getting a film of that.